to our channel, guys. The best cooking on adventure. That is an adventure day. We brought the kids out to our area. You see them? What do they call it?
New England Air Museum.
Yes. So here we are. I'm gonna walk you guys through it. Got some cool little print up there.
Alright, can I just have your zip code?
06106. This is the price. If you guys want to visit, I'm doing a little YouTube vlog. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're
yeah.
fine.
And this is our great host.
Comes to 82 today.
Yes.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time. So they have it there.
Walk into is our military hangar.
Okay.
We also have civil aviation and then B-29. If you're interested, we do have a scavenger hunt that you can do and get a prize afterwards, which is pretty cool. And today, we have a special treat. Paper airplane guy, Guinness World Record holder John Collins is here.
Okay.
He's finished his shows for the day, but he's in the military hangar doing demos and teaching about paper airplanes. Which is
Okay.
super cool.
It's pretty cool.
And you guys are all set.
Okay,
Let us
thank
know
you
if
so
any
much.
questions.
Yes. Look at the airspace suit, guys. Javier them are in. So look. David, the air guy. You ready? No inside. No inside, Tanuja. Don't go hold the guy. Yep. All right, so let's go in. Let's see, guys. Oh, first let me show you guys on the top. Look at that. Look how cool all this is. And this is all in the ceiling. This is so perfect. I guess there's a shriven area you could go in there and get. All right, so let's go in. Oh boy. Here we go, guys.
Helicopters.
Yep.
Look at this. How it's used. Look at this.
Ben is so excited right now. So look at her. So Javi is trying to get his in. So look at that, guys. Let's see the smoky. Okay, guys, so look at this. It looks like one of the first time.
I can't even go on diet.
Ben, wait, don't touch.
Don't do it.
Okay, guys, look at this. There's a navy one. Look at that. Look at this. I'm up here, guys. They got a stairs here, so you can get it from the top. So look at everything. Look at that guy, the yellow one in the air. This is the one I showed you guys inside just now, guys.
Much in front. So if I throw this plane, the tail gets lifted up and it's pointing at the ground. Now I'm gaining speed. Right? And if I don't do anything else, I'm going to become really good friends with an earthworm. It's just going to wonk, crunch this nose. So what I do is I add some upward bend back here at the tail of the plane. And now when the plane picks up just the right amount of speed, I'll have enough air bouncing off of that to push the tail down. Remember, it's rotating around the center of gravity. So if I push the tail down, that lifts the nose up, and now I'm really flying. So
it's taking shape.
You see it? Kind of like the wing. You see that in the wing? See, that's what creates that. Yeah, so it'll be stable. The other thing you're going to do is add some up elevator here. Because all good paper airplanes are made to be nose heavy, so that they point at the ground so they can gain speed and loss to drag. And if you don't do anything else, it'll just crash. But what you want to do is add a little upward bend here, so when it picks up just enough speed, enough air is bouncing up those little bends to push the tail down, that lifts the nose up.
That's it, guys.
Right to the floor.
That's him right there.
So, what you want to do is make sure everything is really crisp.
Look at all these airplanes. Look at that.
And these a little bit so that the air can bounce, get bounced. Just kind of get the crank.
Hubby, you good? Let's give it a try.
Look, they're pretty good.
Go ahead. Hubby, want to take a dive.
Okay, so when you're throwing,
Look at all this, guys.
your fingers open like that, because we'll put you down in the tip of your phone and tip of your as you throw.
That's him right there.
Danny.
Let's see, hubby. Come back behind of me.
More circles.
The hubby is in the making of the paper airplane.
These two corners, these raw corners, these corners, they may not be perfect, but try to get those guys right on top of each other. Now it's just this edge that's connected to the nose. You're going to bring it down and line it up with the base. So,
Is she? Let's see.
Not in the center.
yeah, try to get.
You see this one? This is going to show.
You can go down like that. Okay, yeah, so there's two things you need to do to this plane to make this plane just about any other plane fly better. First is positive dihedral, and that helps the plane rock back to neutral. If you do that, and you just pinch the wings together and let go, you get positive dihedral. That puts the lifting surface up over where the weight is. Yeah. So if this plane goes cruising along and it gets rocked.
The heavy is working on his. He is getting it there. Okay, here we are. We're going to be purchasing one of the books. Look at that. And he is the master.
Look at all the designs.
And he also going to be signing it for us. We have a little YouTube blog, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, who am I signing to?
So Bayan Tulsi.
Spell that for me.
B-H-A-N-E.
B-H-A-N-E.
N-E-N. As Nancy, N. Yeah. T, yeah.
And?
T-O-O-L-S-I.
S-I.
So that's two first names, right?
No, that's the whole
Oh,
name.
whole name, okay.
Of course. Look at the cooler. Oh my God.
Whoa! Whoa! That is beautiful.
Go right back.
Whoa! Oh my God! Look how amazing this is, guys. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Different designs.
Yes, it's all of the Poland.
Look at this one. Look at this here.
Look at that.
Check this one. It's gonna keep.
Wow.
Reading it up draft this plane right here.
Look at that.
It's gonna land right on your camera.
Okay. Oh, wow. Amazing, guys. So amazing. Thank you so very much, guys. So here they are, the inside. They make a little cool stuff. Look at that. Look at that. This is how the seats are inside. Look at Bayan. That is pretty cool. Uh-oh. Isha's ready to take off.
You're all in the.
It's dark in here, guys.
It's kind of dark.
Oh, there you go, the light. Okay. Put the light on a little bit.
Yeah.
Bayan is here.
And this is how they transport like heavy stuff.
Oh, they troop too, I think. This isn't it?
Wow.
Like if somebody injured, I guess this fold down.
We're flying.
Turn into a bed like that.
We're flying airplanes.
Look at Isha. Isha's having fun too. Copy them on top. Look at that. This is the view. When you're on top here, you see it all from the bottom. How you like it, Bayan, from the top?
Awesome, right?
Oh.
He's scared because the step is a little shaky, guys. Look at Isha walking around. Look at her. With her little boots on. She's walking around.
Take it. Somebody help me. Yay. I see, look. And the fire go here, fire go here. Mom, I don't want to go in there. Mom,
So all the histories. Look at that. Look at that. Look at laser.
That vibration was transmitted from the propeller to the pilot, making it impossible.
See Dane running. Look at Dane. Dane is flying. He's the pilot right now, guys.
flying, Mom.
Dane is the pilot. Look at that. Look on top, Dane. You have gears on top.
Oh, so much fun. Haha, I'm trying to get in the airplane.
Look at that.
Why is it doing
The
that?
propeller of the plane is the front.
Okay. Are we going?
So look at that. Some more airplanes. Airplanes. Oh, look at Phantom. She went up there. Guys, look at this. Look at these. It's awesome. Okay, this is the one I think that lands in water. CB. Oh. 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 My baby wanna go to Guyana so bad, guys. He wanna go Guyana and he wanna go to Suriname. Those are the two places he wanna go.
Yeah.
Hi, Danny. Where are you off to? To Suriname. Are you flying yourself?
Yeah.
And who are you going to see there? Okay, guys. So this is a big one. Okay guys, so let's see. Look at that. Everything in back here, I guess. I'm gonna put the lights on. It's where they have emergencies. It's all the way in the back there. So that's cute. This is the front. Dean is in the front here. Let's see where. And this is Kamala. She's gonna be the pilot for today. She's about to take off. Say hi, pilot Kamala.
I want to come along.
Come on, you guys got strapped up and everything in. Okay, guys, wait. Kamala will tell us something about all these buttons and what they do.
We just landed. We gotta get off. The pilot is exiting.
Okay, guys, look at that.
That's the cockpit of the helicopter.
Yep.
Front of the helicopter.
2 seats.
Look at all the dials. Look at everything there.
On top. Don't forget the
All the
top.
controls.
Everything is here, guys. Yes, we tried to figure out what it is. Because it's so very light. It looked like they had to put sandbag to hold it down. So let's see what it is.
Control panel.
Up here too. here, guys. Look at it. Kinda high, guys. So look at that, guys. Some more over here. They say he used to do exhibitions, but it crashed for some reason. That's why it's here, guys. And this is all like what they use. Hats. Compass.
सोचता हूँ कहीं वही तो नहीं, ख्वाबों की रानी जाने जा कब से तेरी तलाश है। पूछे बिना चली आती है वो, नींद खुले तो चली जाती है जो। पूछे बिना चली आती है वो, नींद खुले तो चली जाती है जो। ख्वाबों की रानी जाने जा कब से तेरी तलाश है। ख्वाबों की रानी जाने जा कब से तेरी तलाश है। इतना है वो एक फितना है लाखों में। अरे सूरज क्या कहने मुस्कान रहने सीरत से नेक है। किस्सा इतना है वो एक फितना है लाखों में। अरे सूरज क्या कहने मुस्कान रहने सीरत से नेक है। ख्वाबों की रानी जाने जा कब से तेरी तलाश है। ख्वाबों की रानी जाने जा कब से तेरी तलाश है।
Close up and personal. Where are you off to?
I'm going to the airport.
Oh, he's driving to the airport, guys. Okay, guys. This is the front of it. New England Air Museum. Here it is. Okay, guys, so this is for all the helicopter and plane lovers. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, you never know.
It is amazing here, and you guys, the kids would love it. Even the adults here, I enjoyed all models.
Everything is here, guys. Anything you want. The about Air Force, you could come here.
And it is once again, it's New England Museum, right?
Airspace
Museum, right here in Connecticut. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting, and do keep tuning to our channel. Lots more coming.
Thank you guys for watching again. Until next time.